Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the government was forced to withdraw a motion a short while ago to extend the states of emergency now in effect for another 90 days. The opposition said it would only support a 30-day extension. As such, the states of emergency will come to an end on February 18, 2020, unless further extended. In the end, the 42 MPs in attendance voted yes for the extension. TVJ's KELESHA Williams has the details.
It was the same debate again, to extend or not to extend. This time in justifying the push for an extension of the states of emergency in several parishes across the island, Security Minister Dr. HORACE CHANG pointed to the period in early 2019 when there was a break in the SOE. He says the crime-fighting effort lost grounds because of that discontinuation.
As in the case with St. James, when a discontinuation of the state of public emergency on the 31st of January 2019 subsequently resulted in a resurgence of violent crime and gang activity which is currently being experienced in the parish. So Speaker, as of 25th November 2019, the Chair Parish here have collectively recorded the following. A total of 2,335 persons were detained, of which 2,181 were released.
He says the others were charged with varying crimes, including murder. He says 85 firearms and 4,299 rounds of ammunition were also recovered, and there was a greater trust in the police because of the measure. However, the opposition did not see it that way. Opposition leader Dr. PHILLIPS started the response, insisting that the states of emergency have had very little effect on whether crime goes up or down. He noted that despite the state of emergency, there were 27 more murders up to December 7th this year compared to the same period last year.
In fact, I submit that one of the reasons why in the parishes or the police divisions outside of the state of emergency it is going up, because it represents an inefficient use of the limited human resources.
Opposition spokesman on education, Peter Bunting, and security spokesman Fitz Jackson also criticized the measure.
You pressure a particular area and the criminals just move to an area adjacent and continue their criminal lifestyle. And that's what we're seeing happening all across Jamaica during this year, during the state of emergency.
1,249, which is over 1,250 Jamaicans were murdered. 27 more than it was last year. Not my opinion. The official data from the police.
We're not prepared to go this 90 days. Quite frankly, in order to allow the people, the group, the working group, time, we are suggesting that we will go for 30 days. We need to see something more. We need to get the details of the proposal.
KELESHA Williams, TVJ News.